Welcome back. You're still tuned into Mid-Cap Radar. Let's talk about railway stocks. They are in a recovery mode. Hormaz is here to tell us the reason why we are seeing that surge from the lows across the spectrum. Hormaz.
Yeah, it was almost seems like yesterday, right, when railway stocks were making one record high after another, but they have seen a significant correction from those levels, and from those levels that they made in the month of November, they are making a bit of a comeback of sorts. And start off with IRFC, the new FNO entrant, made a low of 137 in November, and since then the stock is up almost 20%. Ircon and Railtel both have recovered almost 27% from the lows that they made in the month of November, and even RVNL with a record high level of almost 650 and made a low of 400 and is recovered around 17% from those levels. But despite this recovery, as I just mentioned, these stocks are still significantly away from their record highs, below their record highs, so to speak. IRFC is down around 30%, Ircon and Railtel too down around 25% each, so is RVNL. So it's still quite a bit of distance they need to cover before they scale new peaks again. Now, what is the recent developments that have taken place? And at the start of the month, a lot of these railway names entered the FNO space. The cabinet also approved a slew of railway projects that were up for worth over 8,000 crore rupees. There were 3 of them, and Railtel is making announcements on the exchanges since the 29th of November. The stock has won multiple orders worth almost close to 90 crore rupees as we speak. Now, even BEML over the last couple of days has announced orders with different spaces. Of course, they've won orders worth close to 200 crores. Now, on the valuation front, though, despite the correction, the stocks still are on the expensive side. IRFC at a price to book of 3.8 times. Even Ircon International, Railtel, Ircon is trading above its 5-year average price to earnings multiple, as is RVNL with close to 55 times price to earnings despite a significant correction from the highs of the day. So some sort of recovery seen in the railway stocks, but still quite a bit of way to go.
Thank you so much for that, Hormaz. Quite a bit of recovery, but quite a long way to go as far as the railway names are concerned. Well, moving on, let's talk about Greaves Cotton.